Our cold front has moved through, but as it did so, we saw actually a pretty nice day out there. Take a look at this video submitted to us by our own Storm Tracker 13, Jason Laird, and the water's relatively calm at Quail Lake, but as we take you through the next couple of hours, we'll be tracking water of a different sort, rainwater. It's already starting up across northern portions of Teller County, El Paso County. These storms continuing to travel off toward the north and east. We have a few stronger storms across the southeastern corner of the state, and it's these storms that produced about 3 inches of rainwater near Pritchett, which prompted a flash flood warning earlier this afternoon that has now been allowed to expire. Zooming out, you'll notice that these are really the 2 clusters of activity we have for right now. But as we head into the rest of the night, we are expecting that activity to become more widespread. Checking out your skycast, we'll start it at 6 o'clock. We're still tracking those storms across the southeastern corner and around our local mountains, but then watch what happens through the late evening. By 9 o'clock, that area of yellow expands to include areas from Denver to Colorado Springs over the Waldo Canyon burn scar. We will be under the gun for some rain as we take you into the late evening. And tonight will be one of those strange nights in Colorado. We don't see this very often, but we are going to keep the storms going all the way through the night and into early tomorrow morning. In fact, here's a look at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning when you'll notice another band of potentially heavy rain sliding over the Pikes Peak region and another area of heavy rain targeting the plains. This is early tomorrow morning. We'll keep those showers in place. You'll likely have to deal with them on your way into school or work tomorrow. We'll get a break from the rain right around lunchtime, but then by late tomorrow afternoon, the storms are back. They'll pop up over the mountains first and gradually slide toward the east. All day long, we're keeping the clouds in place, so I think the cold air is going to be one of the big stories for your Friday. Those are your high temperatures. 62 degrees is all we're going to see tomorrow in Colorado Springs. We'll warm to 68 degrees in Pueblo, 60s across the plains. And then check this out. Some of our warmer readings will actually be off to the west of the interstate. Salida hitting 70 degrees. Alamosa, one of the warmest spots on the map. How often do we get to say that? 72 degrees will be the high temperature in Alamosa tomorrow afternoon. So prepare yourself for a very fall-like day. Tomorrow, 60s. We'll keep the 60s in place through Saturday. A 20% chance for storms Saturday afternoon. We'll taper that back to 10% on Sunday. Sunday, with fewer storms, a bit more sunshine. We'll see those temperatures warm up. 80 degrees on Monday. We're taking the chance for storms out of the forecast. But then our next storm system sets its sights on Colorado. Tuesday, Wednesday, we cool the temperature back into the 70s. Bump that chance for storms back to 20%. In Pueblo tomorrow, we're getting in on that cool air as well. 68 degrees, 73 on Saturday. We finally get back into the 80s Sunday, Monday. We'll stay in the 80s Tuesday. Then that next cold front drops your Wednesday to 79 degrees. We'll bring back that chance for storms Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Canyon City tomorrow, 69 degrees. We bump it up into the 70s on Saturday, Sunday, 83 degrees. We'll keep the 80s through Tuesday, but similarly to Pueblo, we are expecting temperatures then to drop again. 78 will be our high temperature on Wednesday. In Teller County tomorrow, looking like a soggy start to the day. 60-degree temperatures expected. We'll keep the 60s in place Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're in the 70s. Enjoy it because we drop right back into the 60s by the middle to end of the work week next week. Now, as far as tomorrow is concerned, looks like the wettest part of the day really going to be during the morning. So as you're heading into work, you'll need the umbrella, the galoshes, the raincoats, the windshield wipers, the works. And then during the afternoon should be a bit more scattered.
But temperature-wise, definitely something that we're not used to just yet.
No, I mean, yesterday we broke high temperature records in Colorado Springs and Pueblo. Tomorrow, we are going to get high temperatures that are similar to our overnight lows.
Yeah, there we go. I have the shoulder months. Here we go. Thanks so much.
Yep.
Lowering the risk of stroke can be done with feeding your body a specific